Disclaimer: the following video is a work of fiction and is solely for entertainment purposes. In addition, the tones in this video are valid EAS tones. Do not play these tones over the air as it will cause mass panic and confusion. Doing so will result in you receiving a $1 million fine, or hell, even jail time. You have nobody to blame but yourself.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Weld County Department of Emergency Management. At this time, an emergency that poses a risk to residents is taking place. At 1:29 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, police were in pursuit of a mysterious semi-truck that was speculated to be carrying a nuclear device. The truck then crashed on Highway Route 85 in the town of Nunn, Colorado. As a result of this, the nuclear device exploded following the crash, releasing nuclear fallout throughout the area. The resulting fallout is expected to spread throughout the entirety of Weld County, and quite possibly, throughout other counties within the state of Colorado. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation, and should be treated with the utmost importance of residents. All residents are advised to seek a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear attacks and explosions. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in radiation sickness or death. It will only take a minute after impact for the effects of fallout to spread. Once you are in your shelter, make sure that you have the following: food and water that can last 14 days, blankets and pillows, a first aid kit with medical supplies, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio. If you do not have a fallout shelter, move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Do not hesitate. Seek shelter now. Updates will be provided on all news sources regarding this crisis. Be sure to monitor them closely.